Shabbos, Perek Tes, Mishnah Zayin, and Perek. Shalom to all. Today we're going to learn Masechel Shabbos, Perek Tes, Mishnah Zayin, and Perek Yud, Mishnah Aleph. And today's Mishnahs are being learned b'schos Yerushalayim Zalman Uvzgosam Rasit V'choyetz Chalatzayim. They should be given for that Sachat Tzlach and Siyat Dishmaya, good health, Parnasa B'Shefa, and Kol Tov Sela, and B'schos Esbas Rachel. She should be zechar to find Rezivik Hagun B'Karv Mamish. And Mishnah Zayin tells us how Mitzi Kupas HaReichlin, someone's Mitzi, a peddler spice box. Afal B'Sheish B'Minam Harbe, even though there's many different minim inside this box, and Chayav El Chatos Achas, he's only Chayav one Chatos. That's because he's Chayav for carrying out the box itself, not for the individual things that are in the box. What about if he's mighty different seeds that he's going to plant? Pachas mikag gregeres, he's chayav for being mighty a little bit less than the amount of a dried fig. That's because that's the minimum amount that he'll consider significant enough to plant. Rabbi Yehuda ben Meseir, he says chamisha, he's chayav for carrying out even 5 individual seeds. Now we have 3 different types of seeds that he's going to be chayav for even carrying out less than that. Zera kishuin, cucumber seeds, shnaim, he's chayav for being mighty 2. Zera deluim, gourd seeds, shnaim chayav for carrying out 2. Zera palamitzri, shnaim he's chayav for carrying out 2. That's because these seeds are more chashuv than other ones. Chagav chai tahar, kol shehu. A kosher grasshopper which is alive, he's chai for carrying out even the smallest one. That's because it's used by his kids as a toy. Mace, let's say the kosher grasshopper is dead, kagregeres, he's chai for being mighty grasshopper the size of a gregeres. That's because that's minimum shear of eichlim, of food. Tzipars kramim, which is a different type of grasshopper which is kosher, bein chai, bein mesa, whether it's alive or dead, kol shehi, even if it's very small. Why is that? Shematnina isel refuah, because a person will be matzniyah it, he'll store it away for refuah purposes. Rabbi Yehuda says, af hamaitzi chagav chai tameh kol shehu. Even if a person carries out a grasshopper which is alive and it's tameh, it's not a kosher grasshopper, even if it's very small, he's still chayiv, shematznina isel katal sachik bay, because even non-kosher grasshoppers are used by kids as playthings. And now moving on to Perek Tes. So up until now we've discussed the chiyuv vaitzah in regards to what's considered normal for the majority of people, and therefore one's chayiv for being mighty that amount. Now we're going to learn that even if this item or amount is not normally stored, but this person deems it as chashuv, so he's going to be chayiv for that. So Mishnah tells us, hamatzniya lazera, a person stores something away for seed, for planting, or dugmar for a sample to, let's say, show customers, for refuah or for refuah purposes, and he took it out on Shabbos, chayiv b'chol shehu, he's chayiv even if he takes out the smallest amount. That's because he has shown it chashivas. B'chol adam ain't chayiv el kashiroi. Anybody else that didn't store this thing or this amount, so they would only be chayiv if they take out the normal shear. Let's say chaz v'chnisai, this fellow took this item and put it back in, meaning he decided not to use it for what he thought he was going to use it for. Ain't chayiv el kashiroi. So then he reverts back to being chayiv only if he's mitzi the normal amount, because he's shown that he doesn't want to use it for what he originally intended to use it for, so he goes back to being like all other people, only chayiv for being mitzi a normal amount. We're going to stop here for the day. Pick up tomorrow with Mishnah Beis and Gimel. For now, everyone should have a wonderful day.
Wonderful day.